There's going to be 2 courses, both 9 weeks, offered to juniors and seniors. It's Drone 1 and Drone 2. In this course, you're going to learn a variety of things about drones, from how to keep their batteries well, safety. And in the course, we'll get to fly drones. This is a lightweight drone, probably going to fly it mostly indoors, but if we get some nice weather days, we can take it outside. So you get to learn how to fly a drone. We'll do that maybe a few times a week, as long as the batteries hold out. There's all kinds of things you can do with drones, from agriculture. I actually looked into the possibility of crop adjusters will need to look at their fields, and they usually walk the fields. You could take a drone out and fly over the fields, get video of the fields, so that the crop adjuster can just look at that and say, oh, save them a lot of time going out there. They use them to look at, inspect places that are inaccessible, like a smokestack on a refinery. You can go up and down a smokestack with one of these, where it's much tougher to get there, put a human there. They're used for search and rescue. There's all kinds of applications for drones. Because in this course, like I said, we'll talk about maybe electricity with batteries. There'll be maybe some design build components where we'll get a bunch of like popsicle sticks and things and have to build something that relates to some science principle about drones. There'll be topics of aerodynamics, where you can learn how, when you fly the drone, how it acts through the air.